Alright, if you recall, in the Bloons Tower Defense game, when the attacks exit the firing range of the tower, the attacks disappear. We want to do the same thing for our bullets. So let's go ahead and try it out. Now, one thought I have is, well, I want to make the bullets disappear when they're outside this range. So I do have this turret range object. So if the bullets aren't in contact with this object, I could make it disappear. So let's go ahead and try that thought out first. So I'm in, let's see, shoot bullets. I'm going to add another event. And the condition is if, let's say, if there's no collision. So I'm going to check if there's a collision between the turret range and bullet. And so I'm going to invert that and say if there's not a collision between turret range and bullet, then obviously my bullet is outside the range of the turret, and I should delete the bullet. Now think about if this will work. If yes, why? If no, why? Let's try it. And it might be a little hard to see right now. Is it working? Well, this doesn't have a range yet. But it seems like it's working, right? The turret range is in collision with bullet, delete object bullet. Let's go ahead and make this maybe 0.5 seconds so we can see clearer. So it should fire every 0.25 seconds. Seems like it's working, right? But that's a little strange because if you think about it, right now I don't really have a turret range object on my game. So my bullets shouldn't even exist, right? Might need to look into this a little bit more. Should this actually work, or is it just a fluke? Let's go ahead and I'm going to give this a new name. I'm going to name it main because this is what we're working from. I'm going to reopen it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and copy main. So, and paste. So we are copying main. And I'm going to go ahead and see if this is a fluke or not. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see. Where do I control my shooting? Right here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. So it should fire and it should rotate all the time. But if we look here, my bullets aren't really being deleted after they leave my tower range, right? I mean, my turret range still exists, or my firing range. And if you think about the logic a little bit more, well, only if the turret range is showing up, can this actually be checked. Remember, turret range is an object that we are putting on the screen. So let's go ahead, and it seems like it works in this one. But then when we actually try things out, and again, the only thing I deleted was that one condition right here. So the bullets don't actually disappear after they leave my what do you call it? My firing range. So let's go ahead and undo that. And let's try another approach. What if we check for the turret distance to a bullet? And if that is maybe it's not below my firing range right here, then I delete the object bullet. So how would I do that? Well, similar to this. In fact, I can copy this. And instead of turret distance enemy, I do turret distance to bullet. And I want to say if it is not below the firing range, then I want to delete. I want to delete bullet. Okay, let's see if this seemingly works. Okay, supposedly. But again, it could be a fluke. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this over to this one. Oh, I guess I can't do that. I can, okay. Whoops. Let's go ahead and check on this one. So this also isn't quite working. My turret distance to my bullet is definitely lower than it's definitely not below the turret range, firing range. What could have gone wrong? Well, we'll try some stuff out and we'll come back to you in the next video with a solution.